Hey everyone, Dan here from KAPIKOPRINTED. It's been a while since I did any video regarding 3D printing and stuff, so just wanted to check in for today. Not much going on except there is some printing behind me. Like you can see H2D is printing the Absolute Batman mini poster over there, at least the parts for it. And other printers are now idle, waiting to be printing, of course, for the customers as well as for my store. So yeah, I mean, I can show you a little bit what I'm doing right now. So right now I'm changing the fab film on GK3 Ultra, which is right in there hiding. And as I mentioned, over here is the Batman being printed parts. Already have majority parts printed right here. And yes, it's printed in gray because I want to paint it and airbrush it myself. Some parts, like the logo, will be printed in color, but I'd like to have full control over that, so I'll do that. And over here you can see the other printers. And just quick, it's been a year since I purchased the first M7 Max, and it's this one, and it's a beast. It still runs like crazy every day, every night, and I will go in depth for this printer after a year of use, as well as this one I have over a year now. This one I purchased just about 2 weeks ago to keep up with the production, and last week I got the P1 Max, which is yet to be tested fully. So yeah, as mentioned, if you guys like to subscribe, and if you have any questions regarding these printers or whatever, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. For now, take it easy.